This is how you can take screen capture on the iPhone. So there are two methods. You might record the video of the screen of everything that is happening there, or you might just capture a picture. The picture is of course called a screenshot, and you can take it by pressing the volume up button as well as the side button at the same time. You perform this, the screen has been captured, you have a little preview at the bottom. You can tap it, you can crop it and edit the image. From this page, you can just share it right away or just save it to the photos. If you don't do anything with it and just swipe it away, then it will automatically be saved inside of the Photos app. So this is how we can capture a photo. For video or screen capture, you need to make sure that you have a couple of different things set up. So swipe down to access the control center, click on the plus button and tap on add a control. From this, you need to search for screen recording. And when you add this toggle, you can hold down on it, enable the microphone if you wish to also speak over your screen recording. But if not, just tap the screen recording. You will have the countdown started and you can do whatever you want on your device and it will be captured. After you're finished, just tap on the little indicator at the top, hit the stop button, and the video will be saved in your gallery as well, and you will be able to use it as a regular video. So this is how you can take a screen capture on the iPhone. I honestly hope that I could help you out with this. And if you like this type of directly to the point tutorials, then subscribe to this channel. There is no fluff. We just go straight at the topic. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video.